Trying to send a text from your Galaxy S26, but it just won't go through? That can be frustrating, especially when calls and mobile data seem to work just fine. The good news is that this is usually caused by a simple setting, your network, or the Messages app itself. Let's go through the fixes one by one. Let's start by checking your message center number. Your phone uses this number to send SMS through your mobile carrier. If it's missing or incorrect, your text messages won't go through. To check on it, open the Messages app, then tap the menu or three-dot icon, tap Settings, and look for More Settings. Select Text Messages, and you'd be able to see Message Center. Make sure it matches the one provided by your mobile carrier. In this case, I'm using a Globe SIM, and this is the correct message center number. If you're not sure what the correct number is, contact your carrier before making any changes. Once you've verified it, send yourself a test message and see if it goes through. This is one of those settings people rarely check, but when it's wrong, correcting it often gets SMS working again. If that didn't solve it, let's make sure the problem isn't with the recipient. Sometimes the issue has nothing to do with your phone. Double-check the phone number, then make sure it includes the correct country code if you're sending an international text. If possible, send a message to a different contact and see if that one goes through. If you can text other people, but not one specific person, the issue is likely on the recipient's side rather than yours. Now let's clear the messaging app's cache. It's important because over time, temporary files can become corrupted and interfere with normal app functions. To do this, open the app drawer and find the Messages app. Tap and hold its icon, then tap on the info icon. Scroll down a bit and tap Storage. Now tap Clear Cache at the bottom of the screen. Now open Messages again and try sending another text. For many users, clearing the cache is enough to get the app working normally again. Still can't send messages? Verify your SIM card and mobile signal. SMS depends on your cellular connection, so even a weak or unstable signal can stop messages from being sent. Look at the signal bars, then make sure you have a stable mobile network connection. If the signal is weak, move to another location and try sending the message again. If you have another phone available, place your SIM card into it and test whether SMS works there. If the message still won't send on another device, there's a good chance the issue is with your SIM card or your carrier's network. This step helps narrow down whether you're dealing with a phone problem or a network problem. If you've tried everything in this guide and your Galaxy S26 still can't send text messages, the next step is to contact your mobile carrier. They can check if there's an issue with your account, your SIM card, or a network outage that's preventing SMS from being sent. That's it for this guide. Hopefully one of these fixes got your text messages working again. If it did, you can check out the other troubleshooting guides here on the channel for more helpful tips.